What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. And we washed all the vehicles today. They all look good. Every one of them. We washed them all. I don't put no tire shine on that one right there because I don't want it slung up all on the side. But yeah, I've been letting my son use this right here. And he had mud all on the side of it. That truck ain't touched mud in 4 years, so I had to get that off of there. Yep. Then we had to clean the daily for sure. Had to definitely clean the daily, but everything clean. Everything clean. The whole fleet looked good. But what I think I want to do is I think I want to put that Caddilac roof rack on the Yukon. I think I really do. I think I really do because it'll bolt right up to this one. It'll bolt right up. The bolt holes line up. I don't have to do nothing extra. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna change this doggone roof rack out with the Caddilac one. Yeah. I think that's probably what's gonna happen. But boy, y'all see that blue flicking. That blue flicking right there. Ooh, that blue flicking. Yeah, it sure live. But yeah. My nerves was bad. My nerves was real bad because everything was dirty and I hated it. It was, because it rained like all last week, which I don't drive this right here in the rain. And not that it can't be driven in the rain. I have drove it in the rain before when I had those snowflakes on it. I did drive it in the rain, but the reason why I don't drive it in the rain is because I hate cleaning these wheels. Like, I hate it, especially after I drive it in the rain. Like, it's just a pain to drive it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, not a pain to drive it, but it's a pain to clean them. So I just take a hard pass. I'll either drive the Tahoe or the Yukon, but the Yukon handles much easier in the rain. Yeah, so that's what I'll be driving in the rain because it's easier to clean. This thing hard to clean. That thing hard to clean, and it's because of the wheels. Like these wheels right here are just horrible to clean, man. Because I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna show you. So like, you see this right here? Like getting down in there. Like you gotta get in there with your hand and like go all the way around these right here. And then look, I missed the spot right there. You know what I'm saying? I mean, they okay. They look good. And then these little, around each one of these, man, it's just a pain. And then getting up in there is a pain. They just, I don't know. They're just a pain to clean. But, yeah, she looking good. She definitely needs some paint on this side. The whole doggone thing needs to be painted. It would look good all black, though. Hold on, let's get that. Yeah, it would look good all black. Yeah. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. I might go jump on some GTA 5 real quick because me and my son washed all these doggone vehicles today, and it took us probably 2.5 hours. Yeah. I want to say it took us 2.5 hours to wash all of them. Yeah, so that's what's going on for the day. John wanted me to come up to his house, but probably not going to happen because I'm finna chill out. And wind down for work tomorrow because I know tomorrow's going to be a hectic day. But man, I thought y'all might have wanted to see everything all cleaned up, all said and done. You know what I'm saying? But the inside of this right here is pretty dirty. Inside of that right there is pretty dirty. I do got floor mats in there, but I'm probably gonna have to come back and do the insides. The inside of this is pretty clean, and the inside of the Malibu is pretty clean too. So yeah, but I got tools and stuff in this one that I need to get out, because I do have my my alignment appointment set. So before I do the alignment again on this truck right here, I'm gonna adjust the height. I'm gonna get the height the same on both sides, and then I'm gonna take it and get it aligned. But I do want a softer ride, so I'm probably not gonna crank the keys as much on this before I go get it aligned. I'm probably gonna cut the keys down. Maybe it'll be 5 turns on each side. But I'm actually gonna measure from the tire to the fender, so that way it's even all the way around. And then I'm gonna go get my camber fixed, my caster camber, because as you can see, this side right here is horrible. Look at that lean, look at that angle. So I hadn't really been driving it, which it bugs because I really do want to drive my truck, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, if I decide to put that doggone roof rack on, I will keep y'all in the loop. Yeah. So this is what we finna do. Y'all can see it's a star bit. All of them is a star bit. It ain't nothing but 3 of them. So I'm finna go ahead and snatch this roof rack right here off, and we're gonna put that Cadillac roof rack on there, because I think it'll look better. I want more chrome, and I like that chrome strip that's at the top. So that's what we finna do. I think I'm gonna set you guys up, and I'm gonna time lapse. Oh God! And I'm gonna time lapse everything. So here is. Let me see. Yeah, here's the one we're gonna be using. Yeah, I'm gonna get that old one off and polish this one up, and we're gonna put this one on there. But I'm gonna have to wash these right here. I'm gonna take them in the house and wash them. You know what I'm saying? That way I can get them all clean and whatnot. But yeah, let me set you guys up. All right, I got that mug up there. So that middle bolt, I think I'm gonna have to pull the roof liner down, and I don't want to do that. It's up there. I don't think any water's necessarily gonna penetrate that. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. But I do like the way that right there look better. I do. I like the way that right there looks better than the black one. So I'm finna wipe that down, and I'm finna go inside and wash these I'm finna go inside and wash these doggone end caps up right here. Yeah, I'm gonna wash those up because they is a little crusty, dusty, busty. And I'm gonna snap those on, and I'm gonna call it a day. Finna go ahead and get on me some doggone GTA 5 Yeah, yeah. Grief some people, because that's what I do. Yeah, but I like the way that look. I like the way that looks better than the black regular roof rack. So yeah, she look good. She look real Cadillac like. Yeah. So I'll be back after I wash these things, after I wash them end caps up, and I'll be back. All right, guys, I actually backtracked myself. I actually went back and I took this up and I put a screw back in this hole, and I tightened it up, just, you know, to give me that extra waterproofing, because I didn't go in from the inside and cinch it down. But I mean, as y'all can see, it's up there. It really don't need that bolt right there, because you got two on this side, you got two on this side. And you see I reused the hardware. Yes, it is dirty in there, so probably gonna run this thing through the doggone car wash or get up there and pressure wash it. And I wiped them off too. Yeah, I wiped them off, and I also cleaned up these caps right here. Yep, cleaned up them caps. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap them caps on, and then we're gonna see what it look like. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, that mug look good. I like the way it look. I like the way it turned out. Yeah, it look real good. It look real good, gang. But y'all know, I had to step back and take a peek first. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, she look good. And that color on hit too. That color is on hit. Yeah, I like the way it turned out. I mean, that was a real simple swap. That was a real easy swap. Now all I need to do is get these bumpers color matched. Yeah, I get these bumpers color matched and get my key fob programmed, and I still got a few odds and ends I got to do to it to get it to where I want to get it. Get them windows tinted up. Yeah, but that roof rack smack. Yeah, I like the way it looked. It looked real good. But anyway, man, those of y'all that's new to the channel, man, do me a favor. Do your boy a favor. Do your boy a solid. Hit that doggone subscribe button. Hit that like button. Hit that notification bell. That way you notified whenever I drop another video. Yeah. So I'm probably going to end this video right here. I know the videos hadn't really been as long. It's because I've been enjoying my family. You know what I'm saying? But I'm getting back into it. I am getting back into it. I'm slowly finding pieces that I need, because everything is quickly coming down to paint. I mean, the Yukon needs paint. G-Pop definitely needs paint. But see, y'all can't tell that G-Pop needs paint. But if I get up on this mug, if I get up on her, look at that. He needs paint. Look, that in these cab corners. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me get that off of there. Like, it needs paint. Like, look at this hood. You can't tell though. You can't tell. Not when I'm back here. You can't tell. Or if I'm riding down the road. You can't tell if I'm doing a Honda. You know what I'm saying? And y'all know this right here definitely got that doggone vitiligo. Definitely. You know what I'm saying? I mean, chocolate girl, but man, she looks so doggone good. She looks so good. Even with the clear coat problem. Yes. So everything is like down to paint. But I think out of all the trucks that's the furthest along, it will be old chocolate girl right here, because the AC work, heat work, everything works. She uses nothing but gas. New rear end, new transmission, new motor. I redid the suspension. You know what I'm saying? I mean, yeah, new uppers, new upper and lower ball joints. I think I want to do headers. I'm gonna do headers on this one and on G-Pop, so I need a couple sets of headers. But other than that, man, she need paint. She need paint, window tint, and I would love to do a solid axle swap on her. I really would, because these trucks right here, they look so good when you solid axle swap them. G-Pop, I don't know about doing a solid axle swap because he got enough lift, and he just a pavement princess. Call him what you want. He's a pavement princess, and I believe that G-Pop has put his fair share of work in throughout his life. As you can tell from the bed, somebody actually used this truck for work. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at that bed. Look at that bed. This truck has been used for its fair share of work, so I believe that he deserves to be a doggone pavement princess. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? And then I got the family hauler. You know, the family loves getting in this thing right here. They love it. They're all comfortable. They Gucci. We get in it and we slide. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, man, like I said, if you haven't already, hit that like, share, comment, subscribe, join the Fizzle gang, and I'm gonna try to keep content rolling. Just whatever I do, I'm gonna try to bring it to the channel. I bought my son a car. It's a Ford, but it's gonna be a project. We're gonna do our little thing to it. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna be no show car, but I know he don't want to slide in no crap. So yeah, we should have that here within the week. It should be here within the week. It should be. Yeah. So anyway, man, with that being said, I'm out, gang. Peace.